Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can share the files between various websites in cPanel. Here you can see these are two different websites. How we can share themes and plugins between these two websites from cPanel. Let's log in into our hosting account. After that, now we need to log in into the cPanel. Just click here, and after that here you can see the cPanel has been open. After that, go to file manager. So now we can select the websites. First of all, I can select this website as this is our source website and I want to share this plugin in the next target website. So how I can do that? Scroll down, here you can see this is the website. Just go here in WP content. After that, in plugins, here you can see these are all the plugins that are installed in our website. Just right click on the plugin, and after that you can move this plugin. If we move this plugin, then the plugin will be cut off from this position, but if we copy this one, then it will remain here also. So let's see how it works. First of all, just copy, and after that here you can see this is the directory. Just we can replace the website with our target website. So let's copy the website name, and after that just add here. Now click here, copy files. Let's check the website. Here you can see this is the target website. After that, go to plugins. Yes, we have got our plugin file. Let's refresh the page and see. Here you can see the plugin file is available. In this way you can copy and move website files between various websites in cPanel. If you want to compress this file, just click here, and after that click on compress. Then you can select various formats. At this time we can select this format, zip format. Let's reload it. Here you can see the file has been compressed into zip file. Now you can download this file. Just click here the download button. Here you can see the plugin file is downloaded. How you can delete any type of file in the cPanel? Just right click, and after that click on delete. If you want to extract this file, just right click, and after that click on extract. Now here you can see we have extracted this file, but this is still not available. Just click on reload, and after that now you can see the file is available. In this way you can share the files between various websites in the cPanel. Thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.